So the excavator's shovel is above where the bed where he's going to dump. I think to keep it from, in case he wants to tip over. They have a huge rock. I think this possibility, or the ground could sink and tip over. That would not be a good idea. Here it goes. I wonder what he's going to... Is it going up or not? Could skid it out. There it goes. Okay, it looks like the rock went on the ground. There, mission accomplished. Now he's got to go up a steep grade to get out of there.